Yeah, we got like 3 minutes. We're fine. I'm sorry. Wait, did you actually start it? Oh, hell. Okay, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and start now. Yeah, we already started the broadcast. I'm just gonna go ahead and roll with it. Um, Welcome and thank y'all for coming to the ACM-W CompTIA CTF that we have going on. Let's see. What is ACM-W? This I just have to go through this every time. My bad. ACM-W is just like a suborg of ACM, meant to be like a community for women in tech. So we'll do like socials, networking, workshops, stuff like that. You know, just like to create a safe space for women and like marginalized genders in tech. Here is our event check-in on portal. Each check-in gives you 1 point, and those points goes towards our end of year ACM banquet, where you can get a shirt and free food and a bunch of cool stuff. Does not hurt. Don't need to keep this up long, or no. We good? This is also our like ACM portal registration. I won't keep this up for long. Y'all don't really have to do this. I know this is not like, you know, y'all's thing, so I'm not gonna force you. And then as for what is the CTF, I have Aditya here to explain.
All right. Hey, everyone. I'm Aditya. I'm the president of the CompTIA student chapter here at UTSA. What we do is like we do study groups for like CompTIA certifications. You might have heard of like the Security Plus. That's like the basic one you want to get if you're trying to go into cybersecurity. We also kind of do a Network Plus here and there, maybe CYSA. That's like the cybersecurity analyst one. But yeah, and also, yeah, today we're hosting a Capture the Flag. Capture the Flag is like a cybersecurity event where you're trying to pwn or like you're trying to get the flag after complete a challenge. So you have like a challenge, for example, you're trying to find a way to like break through it. Maybe you have a website, you're trying to like bypass maybe like the login page and you get like the flag through that way. So we have various challenges for that. Today we're doing web, we have forensics, we have crypto, we also have OSINT. I think OSINT will be fun for you guys. So yeah, I mean, you try to come like, it's a way to test your problem solving skills, so yeah.
I forgot to mention this. There are snacks over there if y'all want at any point in time. I also got Capri Suns, so feel free to help yourself. As for how long this is gonna run, in case you guys have any questions, we will be launching this today. So you guys will be free to like, you know, start participating and whatever. And then we're gonna go until Monday. On Monday we'll announce like the winner, and then we'll coordinate with whoever the winner is to get them their prizes. Oh, and as for prizes, we have a Visa gift card, and then we're also gonna have a gift card for Hack the Box, so that you guys can like, you know, subscribe to it and get like the premium features and all that. Yes, that's all I have for y'all. Thank you guys so much for pulling up. Snacks are over there, and then Aditya is gonna get into like the CTF demos to show y'all how it's done.
Yeah, so I mean, don't have like a demo, but I'd recommend like I'll just talk about some of the tools you guys can use for some of the challenges if you guys are like new to CTFs. First off, I'd recommend going to that link. That's CTFD, and that's where we're hosting the CTF. It's gonna like track your like points and stuff. We're not doing teams this time because we have like I think 19 or 20 challenges. I mean that is a lot, but like we didn't want to do teams. Individual sounds fun, but feel free to like I guess kind of collab. Don't give the flag away like easily. I'd say if you're trying to win. But yeah, if anyone has like any kind of questions about like any of the challenges, let me know. Oh, yeah. No, you can't. Okay, that's something that I was gonna mention. Yeah. So I personally created like all the web challenges, and those ones I would not recommend like using any kind of fuzzer. Fuzzing is basically like sending what like a million like requests to the web server trying to crash it. We're not trying to like DDoS the website, so let's try not to do that. But yeah, other than that, some of the tools I recommend. First off, recommend using a virtual machine. It's going to be hard to do this on only Windows. Recommend downloading like Kali Linux. Should be pretty easy. For web challenges, I recommend using like Burp Suite. It's a cool like web security tool. What else? For forensics, I guess you could download like Ghidra or something. That will be pretty good. All of these, like I'm just naming it out, but you can like come up here, ask me like whatever you want. But yeah, let me know. OSINT should be fun. That one's like open source intelligence. So you're trying to like use whatever like I think it was an image, but you're trying to find out like like where the house is located. So try to do that. We also have like crypto. So yep. Oh,
The camera cat.
where's the camera? Oh. You have a. Okay. The thing is, like, do you have an adapter?
Uh,
Does anyone want to see like a mini demo, I guess, for a challenge on some other site? Maybe. Yeah? Okay.
we could. Gosh, you're already getting into it. Dang. Okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna keep the link up in case anyone needs it, and I'll also be dropping it in the Discord soon. Okay. Yep.
make sure to pay attention to